The bathrooms feature these lovely large mirrors. Now, built in to the mirrors, you have a Bluetooth connection with speakers, so you can play music whilst you're in the bathroom. And also there is a light. So to use the light, you just push on this right button. It goes from blue to white. And you can see this lovely illumination. To turn it off, just push the button again. Now, to connect your phone or device to the Bluetooth, you just push the Bluetooth button. It goes from blue to white. That activates the Bluetooth. You then can search for the mirror, and what you need to search for is in the message below. That will connect, you can play music, and then when you're finished, disconnect your phone and turn off the Bluetooth here. That will go blue again. And that's how to use the mirrors in the bathrooms.